Hi there, students. Furthermore and moreover. Well, both of these are adverbs that mean additionally, also, to, as well, likewise. And yes, you can probably use furthermore and moreover interchangeably. However, I think there is a subtle difference between furthermore and moreover. Furthermore just means and, another, plus one. Whereas moreover, it emphasizes your argument, it emphasizes what you are saying. Furthermore, we use furthermore to, if we are giving an argument, we use furthermore to add another reason of the same kind. Whereas we use moreover when we're arguing something to add a new type of reason. Okay, so for example, I don't enjoy exercise because it makes me feel hot. Furthermore, it makes me feel sweaty, yeah? And furthermore, I get dehydrated. Okay, so exercise makes me hot. And in the same type of set, furthermore, it makes me sweaty. And furthermore, if you're hot and sweaty, you are dehydrated. These are all the same type of argument. Moreover, I don't like exercise because it's expensive. So notice this is a different type of reason, yeah? And we're using moreover for a new type of argument which adds strength to our argument. Okay, so furthermore is adding more things that are relevant to the first thing you've said. Moreover is adding a different reason. Okay, so for example with moreover, don't do this because it's illegal, and moreover it is dangerous. Yeah, exercise leaves you dehydrated. Moreover, it can be expensive. Okay, so with moreover you're adding a new category of reasons, whereas furthermore you're adding more similar reasons. But notice, when I started this I said you can use furthermore and moreover more or less interchangeably, yeah? So you can swap one with the other. But the real difference is furthermore, we are adding more things that are similar, and moreover, we're adding more things that are completely different. Okay? So, I don't know. Holidays are relaxing. Moreover, you see interesting parts of the world. Holidays are relaxing. Furthermore, you can do many leisure activities while on holiday. Okay, so the sameness, the difference. Furthermore is saying to, it's emphasizing to, whereas moreover is emphasizing diversity of argument. Okay, so there we go, that's the difference. What about formality of furthermore and moreover? I would say both of these words are slightly formal. Maybe moreover is more formal than furthermore. Maybe I give furthermore a 6 out of 10 and moreover 6.5, even 7 out of 10 in formality. These are good words for academic writing to avoid and, also, as well. Yeah, those are all informal ways of saying it. Yeah. So if you're talking to your friends in the pub, you say also, as well, and. If you're writing a formal document, try furthermore and moreover. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Furthermore, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye for now. Furthermore and moreover.